just see, when we're here, then first of all, just see, they have a background. This is black. Normally we get our background black, but think a basic phenomenon that when we print our project or work, then where we'll print it? We'll print it on a white paper. So it will be better if we use that background as a white background. It will be better. Okay, so to change your background, simply click here, go to option, and from here there are many options actually. At this time only we need display option. Okay, and from here color. So which types of color? There are many options or many color actually. So for what we need actually uniform background. And what will be the color? We will consider white. And if we apply, click here apply and close. And if we click here close, just see our white background will be available, and it will be very helpful for us to work, because if we use this white background, then our provided color on our model will be more accurate to understand.